Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to add tags to a video after you've uploaded it to YouTube. And if you find this helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we need to do is come across to our YouTube channel and we want to click onto our profile icon in the top right hand corner and then just come across to YouTube Studio. So once the studio has loaded through, what you need to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto the content option. And then you just want to find the video you've uploaded that you're looking to add tags to. So I'm just going to do this one as an example. And what we need to do is click this little pencil icon when you hover over the video, which says details. And from here, all we need to do is click the scroll bar on the far right hand side and just scroll down. And if you keep going down, you will get to this one here, which says tags. And this is where you can actually add tags to. So to add tags, all you need to do is literally click in the box and add whatever tag you want to, and then hit the enter key. And that's going to add the tag, and you just keep doing that and repeating it to add all your tags to the tag box. And once that's done, all you need to do is click this button here will change and it will say save. So if I show you, if I type that in again, you'll see that's come up now. It's highlighted in blue saying save. You just need to go ahead and click that button to save your tags. And you'll see it's come up with a confirmation saying changes saved at the bottom. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.